Ballin', yeah. Hey,
Hey y'all, so these are the drinks. We got all of this Airhead water and Member Marks water. We got 2 of the lemonades, Arizonas, we got Shastas, we got Welch's, 3 of those, Frappuccino, 2 of those, orange juices, ice, Coca-Cola, no sugar, Sprite, no sugar, all of my Alani's back there, bananas, ground beef, milk, potatoes, eggs, cereal, and we got some soup back there, Fruity Pebbles. Okay, y'all, so we got muffins. It's a lot. I just have stuff spurred everywhere, so we're gonna go through it. This is our back to school haul, and of course these hauls are, well, all of our hauls are big anyway because we have a big family, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you all that I have. I'm gonna move on the table and in the chairs and around the whole kitchen. So we have the smash burger, the cheddar and bacon Angus beef patties. We have ballpark franks. We have the prosciutto, pepperoni, and the sopressata. The 3 different meats with the cheese. We have Slim Jims turkey sticks. We got 2 boxes of the pancake sausages. We got the Uncle Ben's rice. I love those. When I don't want to eat anything, those really come in handy and fill me up. The diced tomatoes. We have Jimmy Dean sausages, the links and the patties. We have some Hot Pockets, the pizza kind. Garlic toast, the Jimmy Dean, thank God they have these back. Meat lovers, these are the best. Jack pizzas is what we eat on Thursdays. Chicken breast tenders, Eggo waffles, chicken broth. Oh my gosh, I cannot live without the chicken broth in my dishes that I cook. As you know, I try to cook enough for 2 days, so Monday and Tuesday we'll eat the same thing. Wednesday and Thursday normally, unless it's just something really going on, and y'all, we had started football and cheer, so that takes up most of the evening, so I have to make sure I bulk cook so we don't be struggling on what we're gonna eat when we come back. So we have Pam, salt, 2 of the Hidden Valley Ranches. There are 4 in all, 2 packs. The seasoning salt, the A1 steak sauce, ketchup. We have fried rice. We have Oreos, 2 things of Gushers. We have this quick chicken breast for like sandwiches. We have Lunchables, 4 packs of those. 6 comes in one pack. 4 things of pepperoni because this is good for snacks, or I use it on my baked spaghetti. 2 Hill Farm sausages, 4 comes in a pack. The Vienna sausages, black beans. I love black beans. Barilla spaghetti. So that's what we have. I hope I'm not going too fast, y'all, but it's a lot to get through. Over here we have the Soul's Kitchen fajita chicken. We have the Soul's fajita Angus beef. 4 in all of the Jenny O ground turkey. We have some seasoned brisket. We have fish sticks, 2 bags, and fish fillets, 2 bags. We also have the cup noodles chicken, 2 boxes of those. How many comes in there? 24. 2 boxes of the Cheez-Its. The beer battered cod fillets, which are so good. Baby wipes. All the chicken. We have the Angus beef patties again over here. Chicken breast, chicken tenders, and then chicken wings. Here in this box, we have shrimp, shaved beef or Philly cheesesteaks, and 2 things of chicken thighs, and it's 4 in 1 pack of the individual ones like that. We have ribs, country style. We have Angus beef steaks, 2 packs, 4 in each. Chicken nuggets, and then chicken breast strips by Tyson. Okay, continue on the floor. We have the Tyson jumbo hot wings. Over in this box, we have ribs on the rack, then regular boneless ribs, and then 2 things of the ground beef. I'm gonna go back over there to the stove. Rice Krispie treats, the Beverages snacks. We got the cinnamon brown sugar, the blueberry, and the chocolate basmati rice. We have 3 things of the spicy noodles because they literally go through these. 2 boxes of Snicker ice creams, 2 of the Oreos, a Kit Kat, and these are new Frollies, watermelon pineapple, which are super cute. And then we have a box of the Flamin' Hots. We're not done with the snacks yet. We just focused on the meats mainly. We've been trying to like space it out when we get it, y'all, because it's just a lot. It's a lot that we have to do, get it in, do the grocery haul, and then put it up. And so we just are gonna be splitting it up so everything is combined. So we did get all of the drinks. Now we're just doing the meats, and then our snacks will be the last thing. So we have 2 of the Jimmy Dean sausages, the Activia yogurt, strawberry, blueberry, and vanilla, or black cherry, black cherry. 3 of the Country Crock butters, margarine spread, whatever you want to call it. We use it. I love it. Mixed fruit for smoothies. 4 of the sour creams. I'm so sorry. Smoothies. 4 of the sour creams. Meatballs. Bacon. Johnsonville sausages. 2 of the Baby Bell. Oh, I want one of those so bad. Baby Bell cheeses. Lord, we got so much. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get in this cheese. I ain't done none of this over here. Okay, y'all. I was trying to get in this Baby Bell cheese. So we got 4 things of the mozzarella, 4 things of the sharp cheddar, 2 of the Kobe Jack, 4 of the Mexican style cheeses. We got some English muffins, some Smith roasted garlic and herb fresh pork tenderloin, our sharp cheddar cheese, and our string mozzarella cheese light. This is new, the new Nutella peanut. I can't wait to spread that, but I do not like the Nutella on its own. So we got 2 of the Nutella with peanuts, and then 1 of the Nutella normal. Then potatoes. And I think that is everything that we've gotten, y'all. Yeah, that's everything. This kitchen is a mess. I'm ready to get it. Put it up. So that's all we've gotten, guys.